Beside the street, Bangladesh, you will always find popular street foods. Today, I'll take a food named Bel Puri. Let's go to near about to place a order. ভাই একটা বেলপুরি হবে? কতক্ষণ লাগবে? আচ্ছা একটা বানাই দেন। I have placed an order for a Belpuri plate, popular food beside the street of Bangladesh, commonly called street food of Bangladesh. This is called small street food shop. Struggler Bangladeshi, struggler Bengali peoples always makes this kind of small street food shop around the nationwide. The earnings are not bad. Minimum $10 per day and up to $30-40 per day. The process has been started. The person is making mixture with Bel Puri. Spelling is Belpuri, Bel Puri.